Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Baked by Fatima. In this video I'm going to show you all how to decorate your cupcakes. So my whipping cream is ready. If you want to learn how to whip cream, the video links will be given in the description box. I have taken a piping bag. Into this I'm adding 1 nozzle. We will cut off the tip and make sure you do not cut excess amount, otherwise your nozzle will come out of the piping bag. After cutting, you'll push the nozzle outside. Now we will place the piping bag into the glass so that it is helpful for us to put the cream inside. If you want to know how to make these chocolate cupcakes, you all can check out the description box for more details. Now we will secure the piping bag and start piping on our cupcakes. Make sure you push the cream towards the nozzle so that there are no air bubbles remaining. So on our first cupcake, we will make a rosette. We start from the middle of the cupcake and take a swirl around and around, and our rosette is ready. We will do the same thing on the next cupcake. We start from the middle and end at the corner of the cupcake. So as you can see, this is my favorite piping. I love to do this piping. The next one we are going to do is ruffles. We start and end, start, end. The next one is just a dotted one. We press and pull. We do the same thing on the rest of the sides of the cupcake. The next one we are going to do is frosting, a very common frosting actually. It starts from the sides of the cupcakes and ends in the center. We will do the same thing on our next cupcake. We start from the end and come in the center. All our cupcakes are ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.